Suburbia project is an extremely powerful building program. It is powerful in its execution, but basically practical and simplistic to the user. It has embedded in it many years of building experience and a thorough knowledge of South African building practice. What does Suburbia project offer you? The time to produce a quotation is reduced by plus minus 85%. The output is comprehensive and accurate. Following the steps set out by the program will ensure that you do not omit or forget anything. Any changes required at a later stage can be executed in minutes. Miscellaneous building calculations can be done easily and accurately. No special technical background is required. The publishable documents are neatly detailed. Suburbia project will make your life easier no matter what your role in the building industry is. Please bear with me for a few minutes while I give you a superficial tour through the program. I am convinced that you will find what I have to show you very informative. Project administration. Project administration consists of 12 modules covering topics such as project registration, financial choices, accounting preferences, insurance, and transport. Project settings. Project settings consists of 10 modules covering topics such as personalization of publications, wastage allowance, brick force deployment, and mixtures and recipes. Construction options. Here you can set up your project with regards to screed, plaster finish, granulite, choice of bricks, the choice of foundations and concrete. Concrete batching. Select the volume and strength of the concrete required. The ingredients by either volume or mass will be displayed. Subsidiary tools is a library of useful information and building related calculations. It is a standalone topic which does not have any influence on the rest of the program. Superstructure parameters. This is the location where all dimensions captured from the building plans are fed into the program. Technical applications. A list of 41 modules covering, among other things, ceilings, wall tile areas, chimneys, complementary walls and gables, circular structures and porticos, staircases, concrete slabs and beams, and many more. Columns and openings. This consists of 8 modules covering topics including pipe and masonry columns, stacked openings and basic openings. Window and door frames. Included in 12 modules are a choice of sizes and shapes of all windows and door frames, including garage doors. Frame attributes. The detail captured here will be displayed in the bill of quantities. Boundary walls. Here there are a choice of 4 different walls, including topics such as the walls, pillars and piers, walled recesses, corbel bands, palisades, and details regarding plaster and cladding. Material substitution. There are 6 modules which will allow you to selectively alter the finishes on walls which may be required on certain areas of the superstructure. Commercial applications. There is a list of 33 pre-calculated modules divided into 3 topics, namely material, supply and fit, and labor. These topics cover every aspect of what is required in a building, arranged in alphabetical order. All that is required for you to do is to affirm the choice in order to allocate the item as a cost commodity. Vendors and subcontractors. Here you can log a list of your favorite suppliers and subcontractors. Utilization of materials. This is a record of the quantities and application of 14 different categories of building materials. Building activity rates. This information is handy when you are required to complete a quotation based on a bill. Proportional cost and progress analysis. A versatile and extremely handy tool to use when you are compiling an invoice for a progress payment. Painting and waterproofing. This is a publishable document for use by the paint contractor. Board ceiling materials. A detailed assessment of all materials required when installing board ceilings. Bill of quantities. A comprehensive list of all materials required on your project. Publishable documents. Cost budget, fixed quotation, a mini quotation, and a miscellaneous quotation. Contact details. Dave Huxham is the person who is the face behind the program. If you are in any way involved in the building or construction industry, you are sure to find this unique program of great benefit. The program is also designed to include those operators who are involved with the bulk housing developments. Our website details are on the screen and I invite you to pay us a visit. You can download the software from the website and install it on your computer or tablet. Use the 14-day window to get familiar with the program and assess it regarding your particular requirements. On the website, you will also find a set of tutorials which will allow you to accompany Dave as he takes you through the complete process of costing a simple house using the software. Thank you for your time.